HeBudget fam, good afternoon. I am here today, and it's time for another round of pick and pull. If you're interested in seeing where pick and pull leads us today, stay tuned. All right, HeBudget fam, let's do this. I hope everyone is having a great day. As I've mentioned in my other videos in the last couple of days, I'm having a little video marathon. Nice to be catching up on my games, and I've got my budget set for July. Good to go. So, I'm going to get straight into it and hope everyone is doing well. It is Sunday evening right now for me, and I'm happy to be here. I did some house hunting. No, nothing special just yet. I'm patient, and it'll come. So, if this is your first time seeing pick and pull, what I do is I pick from the binder side. These envelopes came out of my vision binder, and I'm going to be stuffing these today using this game, pick and pull. So, for each card, it has the name of one of these categories on there. Just gonna give them a little shuffle. Shuffle. They should be mixed pretty well. And then this side of the deck has all of the denominations. It also has the skip, which are all together. Skips times 2 are all on here. Mix these up well. I remember last time I played, it had a times 2 back to back. And we did go ahead and save times 4. So hopefully they're mixed up a little bit better. And actually, I'm adding 2 more cards, and I'll show you what these are if they come up. 2 new cards to the deck. Perfect fit. All right, we are ready to go. Pick and pull. Today is July 2nd, and I'm ready to save into my vision binder. All right, let's get it started. Let's see, we can bump this up a little bit. And all right, I didn't count the cash. I actually just pulled out some. I had set aside some cash into the vision binder, and also working out of my leftovers from June. So that's where some of this cash came from. And first round is my room, starting off right? Starting off with my room and $20. We are definitely starting off right today. My bedroom is getting $20 today. Awesome. The pantry is getting $5. $5 for pantry. And let's see, my son's room is next, and he will be getting skipped. I feel like his first room last time got skipped too. Skips is running, chase him down. Furniture today is getting $5. Furniture, and I'm gonna be mindful. I know I think I mixed up furniture and pantry last go around. Pantry, there it is, and pantry's getting 20. Pantry, where you at? 20 for you. Bam. Excuse the noise. Again, other days I've had the window closed when filming, but today it is still warm. Windows open. We need the airflow. Kitchen is next, and kitchen will be getting $50 for kitchen. Nice. The house I seen today needed some major work in the kitchen. We would have needed that. Let's see. Next up, kitchen again. And this is a new one. So the spikes, I added the spikes to the card because a couple people wanted to spike my deck. This is my deck, and this is a spike. So this first spike, and it was all right. Had to have a brief intermission to get my spike situated. So this first spike, and it came from Hop In to Budget with Bunny. She unofficially spiked my deck when she uh, gave me a super things. So shout out to you again. Hop In to Budget with Bunny. I appreciate you. I knew once we came back around, I'd mention you again by adding the spike. Keep your denomination between us, and I'll just slide this spike right here in the kitchen. So kitchen was spiked today by Hop In to Budget with Bunny. I appreciate you. All right, keeping it going. Just one. My room is up again, and my room will be getting skipped. My room skipped. Furniture right now. Furniture will be getting $5. Furniture, $5. And my son's room is back up, and my son's room will be getting $10, making up for that skip earlier. Did I just put something under here? Y'all gotta watch me. Y'all know I'm good for just putting stuff anywhere. Son's room is right in front. Getting this 10. Keeping it going. My son's room again, and he will be getting this go round the second spike. So there was a second spike, and this is spike number 2. And this spike came from Done with Love. Done with Love, shout out to you for this second spike, which will be going to my son's room. Done with Love, thank you for this spike. Thanks for spiking my deck. And that's going to my son's room. Continuing, home is going to be getting today $20 for home. And we'll take 2 of these and 1 of these. And this is for home. Home is down there. And let's see. My room again. Let's see what you got for me. So my room is getting skipped again. So I'm in the deck. Something about this deck today. Did I shuffle that out? Did I shuffle it? Furniture is getting, I'm not even sure how many I have over there. $10 for furniture. Furniture. That's all right. It'll come back around. Furniture. Next is pantry, and pantry will be getting $5 for pantry. Next up is furniture again, and furniture will be getting a ×2 of 10, so that's $20 for furniture. 10, 15, 20 for furniture. With a spike under there. Spike that deck. I appreciate that. Next up is home, and home will be getting $10. $10 for home. Home, 10. We're doing pretty good. Now we got some cash left. Let's keep it moving. My son's room again, and my son's room this round will be getting $10. All right, making up for it. Maybe mine will make up for it later. $10 for my son's room, plus his spike up under there. Decoration. I feel like that's the first decoration tonight. Decoration is getting $5. Yeah, first one. Next up is pantry, and pantry will be getting pantry. $10 for pantry. Cash is running low. $10 for pantry. Pantry. And we've got $10 left. Let's see what we do. Decoration, and decoration will be getting a ×2. Hopefully this is a 5. It's a 10. So we've got 10 up here. No, I had this up here. So I'm gonna put this 10. That's 20. To decoration. And decoration gets this 20. Bam. All right, perfect. What else was, that was pretty good. We used almost the whole deck. And this again are just some that I pulled out, the 2 5s under there. And oh look, my room at the bottom. Perfect. I'm gonna just, we'll go over and see which areas got what, update that tracker, and that'll be a wrap. Hope you all are still enjoying pick and pull. I know I am. Let's see, if I turn these this way, they won't mix in with those that are done. And this little stack, it has those 2. I'll remember, just in case I don't get any more spikes, to take those spikes out. And I'm gonna put those down. Bam. Pick and pull, everyone. pick and pull. All right, let's see what got what. And running this over. All right, and we're just going to update this. Y'all don't mind sticking around to do this, do you? Stick around a little bit longer. Let's get this situated. This can hide. Stuffed can hide. Plan can also hide. And then we can zoom in here. How's that? Decent. All right, let's go. Let's see like I'm out of space today. My room today, it wasn't bad. My room got $20. $20, so it wasn't that I didn't get many. I just got a big one to start. Let's see. My bedroom is getting. All right, now we're at 1, 2, 3, 450, 70, 90. 490 for my bedroom. Get back over there. 490. Nice. Getting there. And my son's room got the spike, and I will take care of that later. Drop that spike in there. So right now we're at 1, 2, 3, 10, 21. 320. 321. What's happening? 321 for my son's room. That's something. Let's see. Insert. Scroll up. Oh. Having some issues with my keyboard. Bear with me. All right. 1, 2, 3, 10, 21 for my son's room, plus his spike. Again, shout out to you. That was number 2. Done with love. Thank you, Done with love. And next up is pantry. And pantry is getting a nice little. I probably was supposed to count that first, right, to see what was in there. Let's see. Pantry was starting off with 1, 2, 3, 50, 65. So we're adding 20, 25, 30, 35, $40 to pantry, which was that's pretty nice. Good number. Pantry did well today. Puts pantry at 1, 2, 3, 50, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. That's 405. 405 for pantry. 405 for pantry. I'm not sure what's happening with my keyboard, but that's all right. 405 for pantry. And hide that and see if that helps. Okay. There we go. Let's see if that helps at all. Anyway, pantry 405, check. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for rolling with me. I've gotten everybody's kind of come through and checked out my videos this weekend. If you haven't noticed, I'm not that good at shorts, which is why I haven't been putting them out. But this weekend, I said, what the heck? I'm having my little marathon. Let's try some out. And I appreciate everyone that's checked them out. Home today is getting $10, $20, $30 for home. Home is there. And that puts us at 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 38, 60, 3,860 for home. I'm not sure my computer's just acting odd today. It's probably tired. It's been on for a while. Reset it after this. 3860. No, no, there it is. All right, 3860. And we've got three more. Furniture today is receiving from Pick and Pull $20. And furniture was at 800. That should put us at 820. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 15, 20. 820 for furniture. Check. Decoration we'll do next. And decoration is getting 25, 10, 15, 20, 25. And that'll put us at 500, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85. 585 for decoration, 585. And kitchen is last. Last but definitely not least is kitchen. I feel like kitchen always ends up being last but not least. Hey, easy, easy. All right, and kitchen made out today. Let's see. Kitchen got 50, 60, 70, plus the Spike My Deck from Hop Into Budget with Bunny. And let's see. Adding this 20 in here. And that is putting us at, wants to update. And we're doing right here. Kitchen 1, 2, 3, 50, 70, 80, 85, 90. 390 for kitchen. 390. Plus a spike today. Awesome. Pick and pull. If you like it, give us a like. Check us out next time. Pick and pull. Appreciate you. Have a good evening. Peace.